Hello guys, it's me, Willie, and I'm going to be reaction video to what was it called again? Or I guess Crash Bandicoot. I guess Maxie told me to watch this. How Crash Bandicoot. I think it was called that. How Crash Bandicoot should. Or yeah, I watched it before. I think I did. Or was it Hockey? This is weird.
Shove. I'll be able to handle myself, right?
So, I recently gotten wind of the Crash Bandicoot cameo in the new Skylanders show. And must I say, his voice is fucking dumb. Like, just listen to it.
Where am I? Crash Bandicoot. If push comes to shove, I'll be able to handle myself right, probably.
Now, you gotta admit, that's really fucking weird, considering Crash only said in the first games, and then he comes out sounding like fucking Crocodile Dundee.
I have no idea how I got here.
Like, to be fair, I'm pretty sure they are basing it on the Crash Bandicoot 2 commercials.
Wow! Good thing I'm not wearing tight pants, because they would have ripped for sure.
Then again, why base it on that? It's the worst fucking thing in the world. Like, they base it on this ugly atrocity. This. Like, why base anything on this godforsaken abortion? Like, honestly.
And I have no idea how I got here. Last thing I remember, I was on the Wampa Islands and about to free my friend Tana from the...
Just on a really funny note, the guy who's doing the voice of Crash obviously doesn't know what an Australian accent sounds like, because he's honestly butchering all of these pronunciations, to be perfectly honest. Like, here, listen to it.
Crash Bandicoot. And I have no idea how I got here. Last thing I remember, I was on the Wampa Islands and about to free my friend Tana from the clutches of the evil Dr. Neocortex.
Like, Australians don't even sound that way. Why not just hire an Australian to do his voice? Make it easy for you. Like, you're getting this poor guy who doesn't even know what an Australian sounds like to do an Australian accent. Like, what the hell, man? Like, I commend the guy for trying. He's honestly trying so hard, but he's just not hitting the mark. Like, the guy sounds like he's out of breath just trying to figure out how Australians pronounce things and shit. Also, I don't get the extreme thing Crash keeps doing in this episode. It just... the joke doesn't make sense to me.
Extreme exit! Extreme rescue mission! Extreme shock reaction! Extreme takedown! Extreme goodbye!
Like, I might as well do the voice of Crash to show them how it's fucking done, dude.
Okay, man, why the old time starting up shit like that? I don't even know what they're called.
Get up, mate. My name's Crash Bandicoot. Now listen here, fuckers. I don't know where I am. I just got transported here or some shit like that, you know. Shit happens. So basically, I was on a Macca's run, then I ended up here. Like, fuck me, cunt. This place is fucking nice. Can I see your pussy? King Hit Cat. I honestly don't know why I care so much. It's a fucking cartoon. Like, Crash's design is pretty cool with this. It's pretty rad. But, yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe and, check out my other shit.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay, guys, that was so weird, and, well, so glorious. And this was a good video with me, Wesley, the whale, and, that picture right there, the ending picture looks so freaking weird. And, goodbye, guys, subscribe to this channel also. And subscribe to Bandicoot Plays. You guys gotta see this channel, this episode too. This is weird too. You guys, so, and comment down if you like Crash Bandicoot. And who is your favorite character? Goodbye, guys.